ACO power 12 volts. These are 5 volts, the other 3. The last one is a dual 5 volts. Here's one lead and the second lead. This is going to be hooked up to a fan that's going to be charging and running all day through the summer. When I get enough wire, I'm going to run this to the back of the house and I'm going to hook up a light. I have a micro plug. I have my cable. I strip my leads. And I'm simply going to put some tape on this temporarily until I put some XTC connectors inside of this on, and then I could put multiple things. Tape my leads up. And over here, I plug this in. And I'm charging my unit on a nice cloudy day. And then I could sit here all day long and have fan running and running. We'll come back later and see how far we're fully charged.